For the sake of argument, we're going to call roads like Route 1 in College Park and Route 40 in Ellicott City and the road that I'm going to refer to in Liberty Road as, high density and high traffic strip mall locations. So they're strip roads is what I usually refer to them as. So you have these strip roads. The one on Liberty Road is unique because, like Route 1, there's a lot of pedestrians, there's a lot of traffic that tend to jaywalk, and like Route 40, there is a decent amount of lights. But at some point on this stretch of road, you do realize that the lights are interspersed enough that if you're in the middle of these lights, it's probably more desirable for a pedestrian to just jaywalk across gleefully. And that becomes a game of, don't die in the middle of the road. Now, like Route 1, these have the suicide lanes as well at different parts. But there is a location that, like Route 1, they decided to make this pedestrian crosswalk. And this is an example of what happens when you make, kind of a sign and a gesture in the middle of the city. Just because there's a crosswalk there and it has, flashing lights with a person walking on a sign, doesn't mean that somebody who's going on this road at the speed limit of 45 miles per hour is going to likely stop if somebody's walking across it. People get distracted, and it's a high speed limit zone. Now, even at the end, the person who is driving would be charged with vehicular manslaughter. It's not really a means of prevention. It's kind of a sign doing the dirty work of a designer or an engineer. If you wanted to do it, you'd have to do something like make a stop sign or put a light there, but that's usually undesirable because you're going to, interfere with the vehicular traffic. So what do? Well, some people, like I said in the other discussion, make sky bridges, but if you do sky bridges, then what happens? This is just a pure consequence of a problem, and the problem is the strip mall design in itself. You don't have a means of conveyance to get across this road, so people will go across it in a dangerous way. So you kind of appease it by having this pedestrian crosswalk there. I can guarantee you people have almost gotten run over there if people haven't, just because of the way it's designed. It's not meant to really stop traffic. That's why you'll see in more suburban locations where the speed limit is lower, you'll have pedestrian crossing zones in these traffic easement areas where people have to, swerve by this thing of concrete in order to slow down. But you can't do that on Liberty Road.